In this video, we'll show you how to turn off SafeSearch on Google. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe. SafeSearch is designed to filter out sensitive or explicit content in your search results, but sometimes it may hide content you actually need. So here's how to disable it. Start by heading over to google.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. On the right-hand corner, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click that. Next, choose Search Settings from the list. Then scroll down until you reach the Content section. That's where you'll find SafeSearch. If filtering is enabled, you'll get two options. You can either blur explicit results, or you can completely turn off the filter. And that's it. You're all set. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more quick tech tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.